Excel Roofing and Contracting will do the job right every time. We are licensed contractors and licensed insurance adjusters. When looking for a roofing company to replace or repair your damaged roof through an insurance claim, don't let price influence your decision. Did you know that a cheaper estimate than your insurance company's estimate won't save you money towards your deductible? Your insurance deductible will remain the same regardless of which contractor you select. So hire a contractor with extensive experience and a reputation for quality workmanship and service. First, you should give your contractor a copy of the estimate provided by your insurance company. If you obtain a lower estimate from a contractor based on the same repairs, your insurance company will approve and pay the lower estimate, still leaving you with paying your full deductible. If a contractor's estimate is higher, the additional charges will not be covered unless approved by your insurance company. Don't get stuck paying more than your deductible. We offer several free upgrades and will make sure you never pay more than your deductible. Second, it is not uncommon that some necessary repairs or materials were missed by the claims adjuster. Therefore, your contractor will need to discuss any additional costs with your claims adjuster prior to beginning any work, as insurance payments will not be issued for repairs not listed in the insurance estimate without prior authorization. For this reason, only hire a contractor with experience in claims processing, who will work directly with your insurance adjuster. Third, your insurance policy is a contract between you and the insurance company. Part of that contract is that you, the homeowner, pay the deductible. Be aware that if a contractor offers to waive your deductible to earn your business, they will have to falsify your contract. State and federal law prohibit a company or contractor from waiving or otherwise failing to collect the insurance deductible from a property owner. This could result in a $4,000 fine and a year in jail for you and your contractor. Roofing companies are now required to disclose that an insurance deductible has been paid, and often require reasonable proof of payment before releasing a homeowner's additional payments, such as the recoverable depreciation check. Be aware of red flags in insurance fraud schemes, and protect yourself by only doing business with an ethical contractor. Bottom line, it is not ethical, it's not legal, it's just a bad idea. Last, you need a contractor you can trust to do quality work, honoring your warranty and to not cut corners with cheaper materials. Again, we offer several free upgrades within our roof replacement package, so that your roof comes with a lifetime warranty. Your home is a big investment, so select a qualified contractor to do the job right. You can trust that Excel Roofing and Contracting will do the job right every time. We are licensed contractors and licensed insurance adjusters. Give us a call at 210-505-0070.